Hey, and welcome to Tom's IT channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to cut a section of your video, reverse it, and play it in slow-mo. So let's get started. First things first, let's come up here and see exactly. First, we will go like this. So we see him coming, and right about there, okay, he does this awesome jump. So let's go back. Okay, you're going to right-click on your video. You're going to click on Retime Controls, or you can click Control-R with the video selected. You click the drop down there at the bottom. It says 100%, and you're going to add a speed point. At this point, I want to change speed to 25%. Okay. And now it lands. Capture all that. But then right there, I want to add another speed point and change this back to 100. Okay, so let's see what that did. Play, awesome jump, and back to 100. All right, so now what I'm going to do is on this side, we're going to see that car come right here. So I'm going to start playing here. Now in Davinci Resolve, you have your, you want to mark the video in and out. There's a lot of different ways to do it. I like to just put my fingers on I and O, hit play, watch the video, in, out, stop. Sometimes it's a little choppy, so you have to start a little further back. Okay, so let's see that again. Watch. We'll go in, out, stop. All right. So let's put that down here and see what we got. Great. Now, to reverse a video in Davinci Resolve, you want to right-click on the video. You're going to change speed. This does not make any sense at all, but you're going to change clip speed, and you simply click reverse speed. And then if we want to reverse it in slow-mo, we could actually reduce the speed right here. But we're going to leave that one. Okay, so let's see what we got. Play. So it comes, does the jump, slow-mo, awesome slow-mo. We're going to leave it full speed reverse. Okay, and now we can see he was still in the air just a little bit. So I'm going to move this back to right there. Okay, and I'm going to drag that down. All right. So let's watch this again. And so now we have it in reverse and we have it in forward. So 100%. Speed change 25. Awesome slow-mo. Whoa, so cool. Reverse it. Watch it again. Very good. And that is how you add a speed change, slow-mo, and reverse the video in Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos and check out Above Greenville.